Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Information and tap on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now just tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!